Well, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. So hope you're well.
Yes, I'm well. How about you?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Thank you. Okay,
Thank you, sir. Welcome.
so yeah. So basically you completed all of those assignment for our remote sensing analysis and you are work very well. Okay. So for that
Yes, sir.
today we will just make some comment from your side. Okay. So just ask something about our online training program and such as first of all, kindly are you student or what's your level?
I'm currently a student, but I'm serving my country, my state, my country now. Youth service.
Okay. So what's the level?
I got.
PhD or masters?
No, BSc. BSc. I just finished BSc.
Okay. And do you provide any zero special service related?
No, no. For now, no. But that's why I'm learning it. Because I studied environmental management and toxicology, so I want to go into GIS for my masters. So I'm trying to develop myself and get some skills in order to prepare me to where I want to be.
Okay, great. Okay, okay. Okay, so first of all, what you feel after completing our online training program? It is better for anyone who don't have any knowledge about the programming or remote sensing. Is it better or not?
Very hard, very good. I don't have any understanding before. I don't even know what Google Earth Engine is all about, the syntax of JavaScript. The first lecture we had with you, you introduced us to JavaScript and the user and client interface. So that begins shaping my understanding of what programming is all about. Then we move over to performing different analysis, importing data, vector data into Google Earth Engine. It was a powerful experience. It was
So
amazing.
all
And
of
if
things
I
you will learn very perfectly after doing this online training program.
Yes, yes, they were perfect. Despite the fact that I had some challenges which I sent to you and you responded. So I was having issues with large region, which you explained to me that I can use reduce region function or
Yes.
maximum pixel. So I was able to guide
Yeah.
myself through that.
So this type of problem you face because it is a long journey for learning all of those things. So when you face any problem regarding any issue in Google Earth Engine for remote sensing analysis, you can just knock me. I will try my best for you all time. There is no problem. You can get the lifetime teaching support. Okay. So actually, who join our online training program, they can lifetime teaching support about the Google Earth Engine or remote sensing analysis. When they face any problem, they can just take the service from us and they can easily find out the solution and also work with the remote sensing analysis using the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay. So hope you learn
Yeah.
all of these things very well. And further, if you want to
Yeah.
join our more advanced online training program, so basically in this time you just complete it only for the 7 days. We have also some different types of online training program, such as deep learning or machine learning, as well as some different types of prediction algorithm. Okay, so further, if you are interested to learn the more
Yes.
advanced things on the remote sensing, then you can easily join and also learn all of the more deeply knowledge on the remote sensing and GIS work. Okay, so
Yeah,
I
I'm
already check
interested.
you all of
Which I
you
will join.
assignment, so it's very better. There is no problem. Okay, just keep in touch with remote sensing and explore the different types of new algorithm or different types of new technique. So I hope you can do very better. No problem. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir. Once I'm done with this now, I will join the advanced training so I can still get more knowledge. Because I want to learn more to better understand how everything is in remote sensing.
Okay, so further we also discuss and also join our linking program. Okay, there is no problem. Okay. Okay, thank you for joining
Thank you.
for your time. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Okay, bye.
Thank you very much, sir. Bye bye, sir.
Okay, bye.